Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is cheese straws with pesto. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. We're using red pesto for this recipe this time, but you can use red or green, whatever takes your fancy. Okay, on a well floured surface, roll out the half sheet of pastry until it doubles in size. Then spread the pesto on half the pastry as you see here. Then follow it with the grated cheese, reserving at least a third of the cheddar cheese for the topping. When this is done, fold the pastry back on itself, then gently roll the two layers together. And when this is done, sprinkle the remaining cheese over the top and gently push down with a bit of greaseproof paper so it sticks to the pastry. Then cut the pastry into strips before placing on a well-oiled oven tray. Then it's off to a preheated 180 degree C oven for 15 to 20 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. And believe me, they tasted as good as they looked. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and hit the notification bell. See you soon on the next one. Bye for now.